Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a nice website on Wix. First, select a professional template that truly represents your brand's identity. Wix offers over 2,000 designer-made templates, providing a strong foundation for your online presence. Next, personalize your site by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to match your unique vision. This initial setup is crucial for creating an engaging and visually appealing platform that captures visitor attention from the very first click. Once your design is set, focus on populating your site with engaging content. High-resolution images and videos are vital for captivating your audience and conveying your message effectively. Ensure your written content is clear, concise, and provides value to your visitors. Wix allows you to easily add various features, like a contact form for customer inquiries or social media feeds to connect with your audience across platforms, enhancing user interaction and functionality. To ensure your beautiful Wix website reaches a wider audience, optimization is key. Utilize Wix SEO tools to guide you through search engine optimization, helping your site rank higher in search results. It's also critical that your site is mobile-friendly. Over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so a responsive design is essential. Finally, connect a custom domain name, like your brand, .com, to establish a professional and trustworthy online identity. Before hitting publish, meticulously review every page and feature to ensure everything works perfectly. Once launched, actively promote your new website across all your social media platforms and email lists to drive initial traffic. Wix provides built-in analytics tools to track visitor behavior, helping you understand what's working and where you can make improvements. Continuous monitoring and refinement are crucial for long-term success and maintaining a nice, effective online presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.